You hear that? That little like, that sound that it's making? Yeah, that's an exhaust leak, and that's not good. Because one, it can let harmful gases into your cabin, like potentially kill you. Like that's pretty extreme. But also, it decreases your fuel efficiency and your power on the lower RPMs. So today we're gonna fix that. If you want to be for sure if you have an exhaust leak or not, here's a quick little test you can do. So where the cat meets the cat back, that little, where the gasket goes, take your hand and put it right there. And if you feel it blowing any air, any exhaust, then you have an exhaust leak. All right guys, to fix this exhaust leak, what we're gonna be using is a donut gasket. Now what this is gonna do is this is gonna go in between your catalytic converter and the rest of your catback and just create a seal between the two to stop the exhaust leak. I picked this one up at AutoZone for about 20 bucks. They're pretty cheap, and it's gonna make the car perform a whole lot better. So let's get into the fix. All right guys, first step, jack your car up, and then what you're gonna wanna do is, this is your cat, and this is your cat back. You're gonna wanna disconnect the two bolts right here so that they separate. All right guys, after you disconnected your cat back from your cat, to make this a lot easier, you're gonna wanna take the exhaust off of this hanger right here. Now to do that, all you gotta do is take this rubber. Now to do that, all you gotta do is take this rubber part off of the hanger just like that. Mine are pretty easy to get off because this cat back is fairly new, but if yours is stuck, just grab some WD-40, spray the rubber part, get some vice grips, and just peel it off. All right guys, once you got your cat back disconnected from your cat, take the donut gasket and place it on the cat with the smaller end pointing to the rear. Then take the cat back and place it over top. Make sure it's nice and snug, and then just bolt her back up. And this is how it should look like, guys. You got your cat, gasket, cat back. And as you tighten them together, it'll push the gasket more onto the catalytic converter. So don't worry if it doesn't fit just right. Just keep tightening until you create a tight seal, just like this. Last thing guys, just reconnect this hanger, and then you're done. Start her up and see how she sounds. And there we go guys, no more little flutter sound from the exhaust leak. These sounded super good. Just gonna go on a quick test drive now, make sure everything's all good. But yeah, that's all you need to do to fix your exhaust leak. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If it was, I would really appreciate it if you liked, commented, and subscribed. It means a lot to me as a small YouTuber. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.